Example number 2.32. Calculate the depression in the freezing point of water when 10 gram of 2-chlorobutanoic acid is added to 250 gram of water. The Ka for the reaction is equals to 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 and Kf equals to 1.86 K kilogram per mole. Now here the value of Ka is given, which indicates that we must have to find out the degree of dissociation with the help of value of Ka and degree of dissociation, and after that we have to find out the value of I, and then we have to use the value of I to find out the depression constant. That is the formula delta Tf equals to I into Kf into m. Here we have to use this formula, but for this formula we must have a value of I. The value of I is obtained with the help of alpha, and alpha is obtained with the help of Ka. So we have to use Ka. How to use Ka? Before that, first we will just find out the concentration of 2-chlorobutanoic acid in a 250 gram of water, which is measured or which is calculated with the help of molarity. So we will start here. That is molar mass of 2-chlorobutanoic acid equals to 122.5 gram per mole. I have just calculated earlier, that's why I know the value of 2-chlorobutanoic acid. Now just find out molality. Molality M equals to W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. So given W2 equals to 10 gram of 2-chlorobutanoic acid, M2 just we have find out, answer is 122.5 gram per mole. Then W1 is also given, it is 250 gram. Use all these value to find out the molality. So M equals to 10 into 1000 divided by 122.5 into 250. So the answer which we get is 0.326 molar. Now we know that alpha be the degree of dissociation and C be the concentration, initial concentration. So we will write here equation, that is CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, COOH. It will simply dissociate into CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, COO minus and H plus. At equilibrium, it will be 1 minus alpha into C. Here it will be alpha into C, alpha into C. Now we are going to write expression of equilibrium constant, and that is Ka equals to alpha into C upon 1 minus alpha into C. That it will be alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha into C. So we will write here now Ka equals to alpha square C upon 1, because alpha is very less than 1. Therefore, we just take 1 minus alpha equals to 1. Now alpha square equals to Ka by C. So we get alpha equals to under root Ka by C. Put the value of Ka and it is given, it is 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 0.326 equals to 0.065. Now we have to calculate Bantoff factor. We will just take phi equals to addition of number of ions at equilibrium, 1 minus alpha plus alpha plus alpha. So it will be 1 plus alpha. We have the value of alpha. So 1 plus 0.065, and this is the value of I, equals to 1.065. Now find depression in freezing point. Delta TF equals to I into KF into M. We have the value of I 1.065. Value of KF is also there, is 1.86, and value of molality, that is 0.326. So my answer is 0.647 degree Celsius, or it may be Kelvin.